All right, guys, we got a 2017 Chevy Corvette Procharged. It's pumping 1,000 horsepower, believe it or not. It's got high flow long tube headers there and there, high flow cats under there. Then I think it's got an X pop, I can't see it. Then it's a 3-inch system at Texas speed, 3-inch system. And what we did on it is did a rear muffler delete and deleted the valves because he took it to another muffler shop and they did a really horrible job on it, as you guys can see right there. Look at those welds. He deleted the valves. He's got a tuner that he's gonna tune all this out of them. But look at the welds here. They're all leaking. It's really bad work, really shady. So we cleaned it up for him. And then what we did is ran the pipe, as you guys can see, into his existing tips out the back, right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. You guys are gonna really be surprised how loud it is. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Pushing 1,000 horsepower, guys. Again. I'll go back here and it's still too loud. Wow. This is so good. Much better? Okay. Hey guys, this is his Instagram right there. If you guys want to follow it, right there. Kevin C7. Yeah, that's a good name. Listen to this thing. Oh my God, it's beautiful. We gotta build this one. Close to it in my ears. Woo! We got our boys from Beltronics here today. I need sound, it's too loud. Yeah, man. What you guys hear on the inside? Just a little glimpse under the hood, guys, just for you. Look at that thing. Is built 1,000 horsepower. It's only 1,000 horsepower and it broke the decibel meter, guys. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. And again, guys, make sure you follow him on Devin C7 on Instagram. If you guys didn't hear me before. You guys gotta admit, man, it's a fun, sexy beast. Enjoy, guys.